Hey, good morning. Good morning. Yeah, these things made a move overnight while I was asleep. Um, I didn't set the alarm when I was in farm. Farm has been down 2%. It started going down, and I would have had an alarm set, but I didn't set the alarm. And this is the thing. This is what I run into, trading. Sometimes, we all have to sleep. I wish I didn't have to, but we all have to sleep. Um, and that's just part of it. It's just part of it. Hopefully you set alarms or something that can alert you. I did not set this one. I've been dealing with issues with my furnace at the house. The drain pipe, the condensation pipe got clogged. So I'm in the heat waiting for, I tried to unclog it. I was able to do it before. This time I can't. And the technician's gonna have to do it. So it's throwing me off. um, and let's see if I can, no, I want to do, alright. Well, anyway, I have in, I use Coinbase to do my trading since, I'm in the US. I use Coinbase. Um, Coinbase is pretty good, been pretty good for me. It's been good enough for me. Um, let's let this, so obviously when I did it, I don't see any of mine. Boom, boom, boom. Ichimoku. Taking a while for it to load. Okay. Yes, all loading back up. All the Fibonacci lines. These areas that you see here, these are areas of confluence. Okay. It's gotten past that. This is gone. Wow. This is really strong. This is stronger than I thought. Past resistance, level 3. Holy mackerel. So Saul had been giving me a lot of returns and I left it. I start jumping around a little bit. I see Saul 17%. But I was in farm and then I was in, quantum. So QNT, right now is a QNT breakout. I don't know. This could be a false breakout like with what happened with farm. Let's go back to see what happened with farm. Farm, I was waiting for a breakout. But a lot of times you get what's called a fake out. A breakout, fake out, or fake out. Here, this is what I had. See the triangle formation? The triangle, right? Breaks out. I get into the breakout. Then it fades off. And I woke up, it was down here. And I'm like, I would have kept my alarm here. About right up in here. I would have been alerted. It's gone through. It's a pretty thin cloud here. Plus, this is the 15-minute. Let me see how it looks on the 30. On the 30, pokes through. Sometimes this can come back. Like see here, back here, when it went above the cloud, it was pulled back. Think of this cloud as kind of a magnet. Let's picture this is somewhat of like a magnet. Okay, this can punch through, but what happens is when it punches through, it can tend to fail and be pulled back down. Okay. Some of this other things that you see here, these are harmonics. These are patterns. A double top pattern usually means when it's double top like that. See, it says DT. And that means that there's a chance that the next few candles are going to be down. And as you see what happened here, ABCD pattern. ABCD. Take this time. Sometimes this gets quite a mess. All right, this is the ABCD pattern. Here, A, B, C, D. And that, I don't know if I can click this right. Okay. Oh, I didn't know what that was. Okay. Was it 8 o'clock? Oh, okay. 8 o'clock. Here, when this is down like this is pointing like that, ABCD, that means the next few candles expected to go up. It can continue to do this. This was broken. So like you would have an entry level here at this line, right at the tip of that, and then you would have like a stop loss that's like usually 20 pips or so, somewhere around here. It depends on the height. I kind of guess mine. This did break it obviously, and then it ended up coming back. So you can think of this. Think of this as kind of a magnet. Sometimes they're quite strong. This is on the 30 minutes, so it's not as strong. The higher you go up in a time frame, the stronger these get. So here's a cipher pattern, right? Cipher. From here, these are mathematical patterns that consistently show in the market. And when it's this way, see, it's like a bat. Like picture like a bat with his top of his wings is out, like further. That means it's going to be down. If it was the opposite, where the bottom were out further, that would be a bullish cipher. This is a bearish cipher, and you see how the price has not violated this at all, which is actually up here. This whole thing has not been violated for quite a while. So this is a pretty strong pattern, a cipher. I didn't know this was going to turn into a harmonic lesson. Double bottom was right here. These two bars, double bottom. It has to be within like a 70, 80% to be like an 80% range to be a double bottom. So I showed you the ABC. Here's the double bottom. This is a bullish. Double bottom is bullish. Double tops are bearish. Another double bottom, and you can see how this was not violated for a while. This double bottom, this area was not violated for quite a while. From here all the way to here. Okay, and many examples. Many examples. If you go back, if you look back, let's say like if you go to a higher time frame, they become stronger. Lower time frame means weaker, kind of signs or indications. Sometimes I'll try to look for patterns, even in between these odd hours, like 2-hour chart. Not gonna go that far because this isn't not that old. But you'll see it in others. If I can show. Can I show someone else maybe? No, I think that's kind of new to, well, no, it's got some, it has some history. See, okay, here we got, see that? This is a Gartley pattern. You have to come down here, here, you connect these points. This is a roundabout. These numbers are not, these ratios not exact, but you know, you can, and this is found by my auto patterns, open source detector. You find it on TradingView. See how the top is wider? That's going to be down. Just think top wide, down, bottom wide up. So it completed this. A complete would be about right here. So it's pretty much complete. And then it continues on up. And it hit a double top again, dropped here. But the momentum, you know, this is an uptrend. So like really when you have in a harmonic pattern that a bullish bearish pattern that happens in an uptrend, it's not, don't expect it to really complete the pattern, the drop, much. I mean, it's, you know, but if it were the other way around, you can expect the uptrend to continue. Okay. All right. I'm silly this morning. Something like that. So, I'm in Sol. I like Sol. I really do. I mean, that's been my, that's been the breadwinner, really. This thing's busting. This thing's busting. Look at this. Lord have mercy. I should have stayed in Sol. I kept getting in and out of it. Man, look at that. Straight to the heavens. It did a pullback. It came to that 382, like I told you guys. And I said I'd like to, and it did this, right? And I said I'd like to see it hit the 50. Look, hit the 50. Hit the 50. Like I said, that means it's a strong uptrend. Oh my gosh, I should have stayed in this thing. Golly, I said what would happen, and then I start jumping around. Oh boy. But at least, you know, I've been trading my other account according to this other trade. I'll show you. I'll just show you real quick. Exclusive trading group. My long, I like to do them in my paper trading, so I kind of keep up with it. I'm not gonna put alarms and stuff. I don't know. I just do that. I move my stop loss up into profit. I should move it up in a little further. I should be like further up at the profit. Like seriously. Yeah, I should move it up. But anyway, I have a group for that. If you want to join the Forex trading group, send me an email, newyorkbroker33@gmail.com. Spell it out. Nothing fancy, nothing short. Spell it out. No tricks. NEWYORK broker BRORKER 33. That's a 33 at Gmail. So yeah, we've been boom, sell, boom, boom. We've been banking. It's all free. I don't charge people for it. So anyway, all right. Wow, man, they're moving. That's great. That's awesome. They are moving. So Sol on the breakout. Hit that breakout pattern. The other one faked us. Farm faked us. So I'm not messing with farm. This successful breakout on a triangle, you can expect at least, I mean, you can expect this thing to hit, about, let's see, about up in here, about 88, before pulling back, before really retracing, for like really going like down. That's about 88. Hey, these are just guesses. These are just odds. I'm just going by history, odds, and what I've seen, you know, in the past when it comes to trading, really any instrument, and based on what it's done before and all that other stuff. But anyway, so that's it. We're gonna wrap this up. That's Aaron Truth, aka Truth Seeker, hollering at you, and you take care, guys. I try to give you updates. I try to do this daily, give you updates. All, you know, totally free. And, you know, if you want to join my Forex trading group. Anyway, take care. Peace.